Ate, akin na ba?
Yes.
What's family ready? Gel, ma'am? Classic lang. Sige, ma'am, upo ka na. Why your name is Apple? How are you? I'm good. Because Apple name is nice. Dito na lang, ma'am. Apple name is a nice name. I'm good. What about you? Where are you from? 55. 55. If you, Caro. I work in a salon. 55. Where are you from? Thank you, Zelda.
Ang ina nag-TikTok.
Nag-TikTok na. Chiri-chiri. Maganda yung kanta na yan. Ganda ng tsinelas, ha? Hoy, sino daw pangalan mo? Beautiful girl.
I mean,
Her name is Maine.
chiri, 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 papapam.
She is one of our supervisor. You hold it for me?
Huh?
Please, you hold it for me.
Okay, okay.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Hindi, ma'am. Talagay po. Dahan-dahan. Tama lang, ma'am, yung init. Sobrang init, ma'am. Dahan-dahan mo lang, ma'am. Maganda nga yung para mapaano po yung paano. Sobra? Sige, ma'am. Ako na. Excuse. Yan po. Okay. Fix your English, Carol. Nagla-live ako. Classic lang, ma'am. Wala pong polish. Cleaning lang.
Yung sa paano niya yung